Welcome back to CNN News 18. Now, following a fatal accident earlier this month where a motorist fell through the gap between the carriageways from the Wazirpur flyover at the NSP metro station, the existing 1-foot wide gap still exists. A safety concern that has been a point of attention for quite some time now. It's just another disaster now waiting to happen. Take a look.
A structural engineering default has led to nearly 2 deaths in this area of northwest Delhi. What you can see just a few meters above my head is a gap between 2 carriageways on the Wazirpur flyover. This flyover, where the gap is at least a 1 foot wide, has resulted into the death of a 27-year-old on the New Year's Eve while he was returning on this flyover. His scooty fell from this gap and at this passageway where even homeless people are living. Now I'll just show you through the visuals how there is a police booth at the Subhash Place here, and this is a very busy junction. Given the morning rush as well, there are many commuters and office goers who are coming from the NSP metro station. This gap is a testimony of how a disaster, a complete fatal accident is waiting to happen. This is a structural engineering, in fact, instance of how exactly accidents are created, where we see that this gap has resulted into yet another accident that has happened just 2 days back, where a 24-year-old had also fell from the same gap while there is this gap for the person who is on the flyover to fell down. Many of, in fact, office goers and people at this point cross this lane. There could be many other fatal accidents that could be happening, as there is no safety net, no barrier to prevent those who, if in any instance, would fall from this flyover to this lane. While this is exactly the instance where the fault lines are exposed.
All right, for more on this, we have Simran Babbar live with us from the Wazirpur flyover. Simran, thank you so much for bringing us that ground report. Also, I want to understand, what do you think is the issue that 1 foot wide gap that you're showing us, it's just another disaster waiting to happen here?
Well, the reason, while we also report from the flyover, which is a very busy junction, and commuters and also there are pedestrians who travel through this road, is quite apparent. It is quite, in fact, for the people to also judge for themselves. This is the gap that you can see. It is hardly like this of a design that could be found, in any of the structural and architectural engineering designs on any of the carriageways. But this is one such carriageway, and the interesting part is that this wouldn't have been flagged until now had these deaths, has these incidents and accidents not taken place. There was an incident just a week back when a scooter, there was a commuter on the bike. He fell from this gap. I'll just show you from the visuals, as you can also see in my camera. This was exactly the region from where the flyover, this person who had fallen from this length, which is approximately at least of 6 to 7 foot. And this is exactly the reason also this could have been possibly averted. While we speak of these kind of safety nets that should be put up, or there should be barriers here, this would have been prevented, this could have been averted as well. But this is a gap. Even after one accident, it wasn't fixed. The repeat accident did take place another time, after another 24-year-old youth was also critically injured, and that is where exactly where we report from. There are many commercial establishments also present here, and authorities are also, in fact, looking at where the location these accidents have taken place, but no action from them has been witnessed right now.
All right. Well, Simran, thank you so much for bringing us the latest on this. We'll, of course, continue to keep a track on that as well. Pardon me. Let's shift our focus now.